Hi guys, Jessie Malay here and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to be back after just giving birth. My baby is 6 weeks old now. She's getting so big so fast, I swear, it's insane. But very excited to be partnering with Sexy Hair on a simple, sexy wavy hair tutorial perfect for Valentine's Day. Last time I did a tutorial, I was 9.5 months pregnant. I took a little break last month, and now that our baby is 6 weeks old, my hubby and I are in desperate need of a little date night out and a little romance. My mom has agreed to watch Alessandro tonight, so I wanted to take the opportunity to get a little extra glam for the occasion and show you how I accomplish these big, touchable, sexy waves. Let's get started. So the key to creating ununiform, extra sexy wavy hair is a few different size barrel curling irons and a really great hairspray to lock in your style that won't make your hair feel too plasticky or sticky and really help create some nice volume. So I'm going to use my 1-inch curling iron, my 1.5 inch, and then also my tapered barrel to really create some nice variation, and then use my big sexy hair spray and play volumizing hairspray to finish it all off. So I've rough dried my hair and I'm going to start off with the 1.5 inch barrel. So I'm going to start off by taking 2-inch sections and wrapping them around the iron really quickly so that they don't get too curly. And then I always leave out the bottom inch so that the ends look a little more blunt. Okay, so before I move on to the next size curling iron, I'm going to use my spray and play volumizing spray to just really lock in these waves. Okay, now moving on to the 1-inch barrel, I'm going to just choose a few random pieces to create slightly tighter waves. And last, I'm going to go in with my tapered barrel and pick a few more random pieces and then just wrap them around. Okay, so I'm all done and I'm going to give my hair one last final spray all around. I like to always stick my fingers through it, mold it a little more, tussle it a little bit. And then one final trick, I like to spray a little bit right directly on my fingertips, rub them together, and then just put them through the very front pieces of my hair so no little flyaways get caught in my eyes. And that's it! Big, sexy, wavy hair, perfect for Valentine's Day. I've gotten a lot of requests for creating a wavy hair tutorial, which I've never done. So I'm really happy. We finally got it done just in time for Valentine's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you try it out. And big thank you to Sexy Hair for partnering with me on this one. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I love to hear from you guys and I'll answer as many as possible. I'll be sure to link the hairspray that I used in the description box, and don't forget to check out Sexy Hair TV on YouTube for more tutorials and how-tos, and sexyhair.com for more product info. We better get out of here before the baby wakes up. I'm really excited to get a little grown up alone time with G. I hope you guys have the best Valentine's Day too.